No creo que haya tiempo para la última parte de la película hoy, pero estoy segura que ustedes van a recordar todo si la vemos el lunes. Además, el final es muy interesante. Dudo que ustedes quieran perderla. Hola. You have seen that expressions of influence and emotion can trigger the subjunctive. The final set of triggers of the subjunctive in noun clauses are expressions of doubt and denial. A list of common triggers of doubt and denial is shown here with some sample sentences. No creer. No creo que Pedro venga hoy. Dudar. No estar seguro, segura. No es tan seguro de que la pintura sea auténtica. Negar. No es cierto. No es cierto que el museo tenga todas sus obras. No es seguro. No es verdad. No es verdad que el artista viva en Barcelona. Es posible. Es imposible. Es imposible que sean las 10. Es probable. Es improbable. Es improbable que consigan más esculturas de esa escultora. It is important to note that the opposite of many of these expressions does not trigger the subjunctive. If you express belief or certainty, as opposed to disbelief or uncertainty, the indicative, not the subjunctive, will be used in the dependent clause. Also note that any expression of probability or possibility will trigger the subjunctive, regardless of how possible or probable the action may be. One further difference between expressions of doubt and denial and expressions of emotion or influence is that it is possible to have the same subject in both clauses and still need to use the subjunctive in the dependent clause. The following chart shows examples of sentences with a change of subject and without. No creo que ella sepa la respuesta. No creo que yo termine el proyecto hoy. Está bien. Vamos a practicar. Let's practice. You will see and hear a series of sentences with verbs and expressions of doubt, denial, belief, or certainty. Depending on the trigger, some will require subjunctive and others will require indicative. Choose the best answer from the two choices offered in each case. The indicative will be given first and the subjunctive second for each item. Número 1. No es verdad que Jaime sea rico. Did you say sea? Excelente. Número 2. Estoy seguro que los vecinos tengan piscina. Was your answer tienen? Perfecto. Número 3. Mis padres dudan que yo estudie mucho. Did you say estudie? Muy bien. Número 4. Es probable que nosotros vayamos al teatro esta noche. Did you say vayamos? Fantástico. Número 5. Los estudiantes creen que los profesores deban saber todo. Was your answer deben? Magnífico. Es probable que ya entiendas bien el subjuntivo, ¿no? One interesting fact about the use of the subjunctive with expressions of doubt and denial is that the use of the subjunctive depends entirely on the speaker's beliefs and not on any external reality. So, one can say that one believes that the moon is made of green cheese, for example, and this would not trigger the subjunctive in Spanish. It is the speaker's belief or disbelief in a statement, not the commonly accepted truth of a statement, that determines the use or non-use of the subjunctive. Fascinante, ¿no? Adiós.